Hi, this is Michael Tellinger, and I'd like to invite you to join me on my tour of the USA 2019 that'll start in Denver, Colorado on the 22nd of May. This is going to be a big tour, basically including 17 cities right across the USA, starting in the heart of the USA and moving out to California, all the way up the coast, then right across, including Boise, Idaho, Minneapolis, Syracuse, Asheville, New Connecticut, all the way down to Miami, Atlanta, Georgia, and then moving back to Texas, Austin, and Dallas. So we'll be covering 17 cities of the USA. Please go to michaeltellingertour.com, michaeltellingertour.com, or michaeltellinger.com. But all the details of the tour are on the website. Please go online, book your ticket, and I hope to see you in the USA. There is so much to share, so much new information, and every year that I come back to the USA, this is, by the way, my 10th year of coming to the USA on tour, so I'm really looking forward to this tour. And there is so much to share. Obviously, the research in the stone circles is the primary subject that I discover and that I talk about. And the research goes on and on. It never stops. We've just done new frequency tests and frequency measurements, effect on bodies, the human anatomy and human physiology, the effect on healing, the phenomenon that we've experienced over the last 11 years in the stone circles of people experiencing almost miraculous healing when exposed to the stone circle ruins. So I'll be talking about that. I'll be talking about the new discovery, the big thing, and that is the discovery of the fossils of the giants, right here among the stone circles, covering the mountains around us, thousands and thousands of fossils of giants, humanoids, reptilians, and probably also Anunnaki. So there's so much to share. That then leads into what I love doing the research on recently is the particle physics agenda. How mainstream science and physics has molded and confused us into believing that everything is made up of tiny little particles that bump into each other and are the result of everything in creation. So I call this the particle physics agenda, and the agenda behind it to make us believe things that are not necessarily so. This is a huge discovery that includes space, the cosmos, NASA, it includes the CERN Hadron Collider, it includes all the most important and advanced scientific installations around the world. It includes everything that is used to confuse humanity about who we are, where we come from, and why we're here. Obviously, I'll also talk about Ubuntu and contributionism, the latest developments, what has happened with the Ubuntu movement, how we are growing around the world, and especially the implementation and the building of the new energy technology that we are currently working on in various countries of the world. This is going to be a tour that I will never forget. 17 cities in the USA. Go online to michaeltellingertour.com or michaeltellinger.com. Sign up. And I hope to see you in the USA. This is from the 22nd of May to the 22nd of July, 2 full months in the USA, which also includes Contact in the Desert in Indian Wells, California.